All right, so here we are left where we left off with the chickens and their new layer that I merged. So if I want to put these on to the other photo, what you need to do is go to home and you'll see your other work that you've been working on. So I'm going to click on that city sign that I edited at first. And I'm going to go ahead and add a new layer. Let's see, I think it's over here on the right-hand side. There's a plus. Yes, this one's pretty straightforward. Image. And then it was in my downloads folder. I had the Pixlr PNG. And there you go. There's my little friends. So you can do different things. Maybe I'll put them here or here. So you can see how it's not very clean, the edges. So if you wanted to take the time, you can really clean up the edges around when you're doing your own photo editing practice. Okay. But just to show you kind of the basics of what you can do and how you can manipulate photos, this is sort of a quick tutorial on that. Okay. So let's zoom out. I think I'm going to put these guys here this time. And if you wanted to play around with the editing, I think, let's see if we keep this highlighted. Let's see what these different effects are. So, oh yeah, so you can see there's different effects you can do. I don't really like any of these. I'm gonna undo. So play around with the different filters. I think this is a pretty cool feature that it has. Oh shoot, I undid too much. Let me go back. Okay, so I think I just want to do the basic adjustments. I like being able to control it on my own, but if you're not really used to it too much, you can always do like their pre-packaged custom ones. So make sure it's just that layer is selected, and then that will be edited. Whereas I accidentally had the bottom one selected, and then it changed all of the image around it. Okay. What else can we do with this? Maybe add some more highlights. No. Just kind of play around with it, okay? In photo editing, it's a lot of just like trial and error, playing around with the different slidey bars, and there you go. Okay. So let's go ahead and save this. And you can see edited with Pixlr. Okay, I'm going to keep it as JPEG. Sure, I'll keep it high. You can always do low size if you wanted. And there you go. It's pretty easy to use. I think I do prefer this program over Photopea, just because it's a little bit easier to navigate, especially if you're a beginner and not used to using Photoshop, which is what Photopea sort of has more similarities to. So just check out these different things that you can do. I'll show you another example of something that I did with this program while I have your attention. I think this one's kind of funny. So you can like edit the shapes and then put it into a different background. I mean, it's not that exciting, but it's kind of exciting. So play around with it, see what you can make, and go ahead and share it with me when you're done. All right, I'm out.